भारत और ब्रिटेन के रिश्ते की नींव मुगल काल में दोनों देशों के बीच रखी गई थी और इसी दिशा में काम कर रही कुसुम वडगाम से खास बातचीत की हमारी संवाददाता लवीना टंडन ने।
मेरे साथ हैं डॉक्टर कुसुम वादगामा जो इंडो ब्रिटिश जो रिलेशनशिप है 400 साल का उस पर ख़ास तौर पर काम कर रही हैं। बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए डॉक्टर साहब। सबसे पहले हमें बताइए कुसुम जी कि ये आपका ये प्रोजेक्ट क्या है?
It's a project about a relationship that has gone over for nearly 4.5 years. But the first official relationship started when Sir Thomas Roe was appointed by King James I to go to India as an envoy to the court of Mughal Emperor Jahangir. And by a happy coincidence, in the same year, 1614, an Indian young man was brought to this country by the East India Company, and he was baptized in this country. We know very little about him, but officially that is when the Indo-British relationship started, and it's going on for so long that 2014 seems to be an ideal opportunity to look back at our history, what we have done for each other, what we shouldn't have done for each other, the good and the bad, and this is a perfect time to see ourselves involved in a relationship that has matured and is going strongly further. And we thought we'd start an Indo-British Heritage Trust, and we wrote a letter to the Prime Minister, Mr. David Cameron, and immediately the reply came that wonderful news, let's celebrate it together. And in view of the 1.5 million Asians in this country, it becomes very relevant in view of the fact that we have now the centenary of the start of the First World War, where more than 1.5 million Indians enlisted, over 70,000 died. And it is something very interesting to know that when the British involved us in the war, we ourselves were fighting for our own independence, and India's enemy was not Germany, but India's enemy was Britain. And yet you will never find anybody, any group of people so loyal and so sincere to support Britain in an hour of need. So it is important. Another point why it is important is that the British history in India is so well documented, but sadly there is very little documented information or taught in the schools about the Indian contribution in Britain over the years. And I think this is a perfect opportunity, and people like you who help us promote our project, we are delighted. And it is not just an Indian trust that we have, it is an Indo-British Heritage Trust, and my co-chair is an Englishman, and we work together. This is the first time I'm speaking as an Indian, but he is involved very much, and we want to make it into an Indo-British.
So you want to take the Indian side of the story to the schools,
yes,
and also have exhibitions, have books, and it's a huge project. What are the supports and the barriers that you face?
Well, it's at early stage, so I can't tell you. We have the support we have is a very good team of people who are volunteering for this particular cause, and we are working on how to go further and get some funding to get the project going. We have help of the Foreign Office. We have the help of the Prime Minister, we have the help of a couple of members of Parliament in this country, and we are working hard to make this project that will be the pride of India and Britain.
Thank you very much, and I wish you all the very best.